I'm white. I'm black. I'm yellow. I'm red.
Hello, welcome back to another video on the Leo Plays YouTube channel. As you can see, we are playing Welcome to Bloxburg. And I'm in a neighbourhood. Because, if you already know, Bloxburg is now, unfortunately, free. And I don't like free players. Boo! Except from, like, my friends and all that. Right, so, if you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm giving you a house tour. Because why not? Oh, and I got a new thingy. Right. And if you don't know, this is my avatar. It's off Katniss Everdeen from the Hunger Games. And also, we've had some very, very sad news. President Snow unfortunately died on Friday. Crying now, thanks. Right, so, obviously, this is the front of the house. It's kind of like boarded up, but I don't really think I should have. Because I don't really know. I think I just became a little bit overreactive, and plus anyone could just hop over that unless I just like block them. So this video is going to be, in fact, a house tour video, and it's 12 AM at the moment, so I don't know why it's 12 AM. Right, there you go. Now it's still 44 PM. Yeah, woohoo! Right. I don't want to. I'm gonna go. Right, so this is the front bit. We got like a little pond here, which we can also swim in. Got that to open. Got that. Out there, here, got a Jeep. So that's pretty nice. And then once you go in, it's like a little like seating area. This is where you can like sit and like place wherever your shoes are, but you don't actually have shoes, you know, Bloxburg and all that. So this is the front bit. Oh, my mushrooms are growing. Well, they've grown, but that's amazing. We got... Oh, no, we're not supposed to go up here. Okay, so we got a little fountain, which is really nice. Please note that the house is still under construction, so yeah. This is the living room. Very under construction. Of all things. This is the kitchen, and in here, we have 2 plates of pancakes and some fairy cake. Fairy bread. Then in here is such an underused room. It's a dining room, and why is there a dirty plate? Right, I'm gonna put them in my plate collection. Hold on. No. Wait, look at that. Hold on, what? Oh. You know what? I don't care anymore. Oh. Now, let's go outside, and you've already seen somebody outside. Right, so, don't ask why the back garden's big. We got, like, a little balcony up there. We got, like, a place out here. I think it's, like, really nice. We got a slide, obviously. Playset's not a playset without a slide. Got a trampoline, like an in-ground one. And then here, you probably would have guessed, we got the pool! And we even got a duck as well, so that's really nice. We've got like some seating areas. So yeah, we can put that down because nobody's obviously using them. Because yeah. Now, let's go up on the balcony. So, obviously, there's a thingy. We got some kites, we got water balloons, and if you're lucky, you'll even get to sit in this chair. Really, really, really nice. Right. Come back in, go up here. Nothing that much up here. Don't know why there's a roof going there. A roof? A roof. We get to see, like, the balcony. In here, we have the master bedroom, which I really, really like. We got some lights as well. Got some of those. I forgot what they're called. Wardrobes. Wardrobes. Why are these open? Open? Shut. Oh, well. Right, and then here. Oh, why is that going through? We got a lovely bathroom, but I'm afraid I've made it too big, because look, what the hell? And then there's obviously that, and we obviously got a toilet because we don't want to be manky. Right, I need to redo the bathroom, but that will be soon. Then if you go up here, this is one of my favourite rooms, right? So as you can see, there's nothing in here, but look, what's in here? You probably would have guessed it, but we have the children's room. So we got like a little plaything there, we got Hello Kitty, because why not? We got like a bear, we got a little cooking thing, like little play kitchen. I've always wanted a play kitchen. My little sister has one, but she didn't use it. I'm like, give it to me. I could have had it. Right, and then that's basically like the kitchen where they keep all their clothes. But if you go up here, we got the bedroom and we got some amazing quotes. Right, we even got, I love you to the moon and back. Be a pineapple, stand tall, wear a crown, and be sweet on the inside. What amazing. And, right, I custom made the beds, but I don't know what to feel about them. Obviously, there's a light. And we got some little teddy bears, which I really like. Then we also got like some good night photos. I used to always use them when I was playing Bloxburg when I was like 9 or 10. Now I don't really play that much. I'm 13. Oh, and why am I sleeping? I don't need to sleep. It's 3:33 p.m. Well, it was, but now it's not. Right, okay. Turn that off. I don't really know what to do. This is just like a quick video just showing you my Bloxburg house, because obviously I have not played Roblox in a long time in this channel. Mostly it was just Minecraft stuff. But yeah, this was a very short video, and I'm very, very sorry for it. But all I can say is thank you for watching and goodbye.
Los pingüinos me la van a mascar. Kawasaki, Kago, Crico y Stripper.